I don't know if y'all recall before, but you could have grown corn in here. It was dirt all the way up to the level with the ribs, even over the ribs in some spots. Didn't really show much of me shoveling all that stuff out, but we got it all cleared out for him. Don't look too bad. Well, alright, I wasn't really expecting to do a third video on this, but since everybody was so concerned about Sammy's trailer, I went ahead and sprayed it on there. All y'all that said something can hit that thanks button up there and help me recoup that $20 of undercoating. I'm just kidding. But I'm gonna go ahead and take it back to his house. This was a pretty cool project. Like I said, I spent a little bit more time and money than I thought I was going to, but I still think it was a good deal for getting the boat. And you know, I learned a lot too, messing with that motor. So it all worked out, and just got this boat into the working order again. It does need a transom. He said that his brother is going to do it for him, and said his brother owes him a little bit of money and he wanted to do the transom, so let him do that. And besides that, I think this thing will be ready to hit the water. We did the bunks, replaced the bunks on it, new bunk carpet. We put a taillight kit on it. We replaced the winch strap up front. Of course, we undercoated the trailer, got it all painted up. Probably wasn't the best way to go about it, but I figured like that undercoated would be a little bit better than paint. I mean, this thing really needs to be sandblasted to get it fixed right. And not to mention, I feel like this boat needs a better trailer. Not a better trailer, but a bigger trailer. Went ahead and threw him my jack on, and of course the motor stuff. You know, we put him a new water pump, rebuilt his water pump on it, and got the motor unseized. We got the lower unit unseized, and we replaced the marble mystery oil with gear oil, and I did a little carb rebuild kit on it too. It seems to be running good. It's pumping water, and like I said, I think he's ready to hit the water. We also cleaned out the inside of his boat too. Like I said, I think it was a good deal. Like I said, I learned some stuff along the way, and hopefully it'll help some of you guys too. And nothing else, you know, I got 3 videos on it that'll, you know, in the long run, maybe make a little bit of money too. So With that being said, let's go ahead and take this over to Sammy, and we'll let Cotton and Carl Wayne guard it until Sammy's ready to use it. I appreciate you guys watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Good boy.